Merry Thriftmas in July. Hi guys, this is Mary and I am here today to do a challenge with Secondhand Tracey Ann, who is hosting this series of 4 thrifting videos for Christmas in July. And I've been so busy I haven't been able to participate until now, but I'm very thrilled that I got this chance to do the last Sunday. So today I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I picked up this week at our local ARC thrift shop. And in Colorado Springs, I have not been able to find anything Christmas related in any of our thrift stores. In fact, they all tell me that they wait until November to put their things out. So what I did is I picked up a couple of things that I know I can change with some paint to make them look very Christmassy and use them this year in my Christmas decor. So the first thing I got was this candlestick. It's kind of a grayish silver color and can hold a large pillar candle. And I love that, and particularly because I have this red candle that I bought a couple of years ago at Hobby Lobby, I believe it was, after Christmas, like one of the 80% off deals. And I've been looking for a companion for that candlestick to go together. And I felt like this one was similar in shape, but a little bit different to make it interesting. So I got this, and I'll be using it with this taller red candlestick. So that was one of my items. And I actually bought at Michael's some red metallic paint that I hope will be very similar to my other red candle, and so they can be used together. So we'll be painting that shortly. And then the second thing I found was a gingerbread house, but it has this sort of terracotta look with the whitewash. And of course, I don't want that for my Christmas decor. So I'm going to be trying to paint it today with white chalk paint, and I'll see how it turns out. So let's get started on the painting, and I'll give you a look, of course, at the end with before and afters. Well guys, here I am back again, and honestly I had the hardest time. I worked really hard to match this color with my older candlestick and I wasn't successful. Off camera, I actually took the pinkish shade that I used on this candlestick and sort of dry brushed it onto this one. It got rid of some of that sort of orangey red iridescence that was on it, and now I think they match fairly well. Hard to tell in this light, I think, but let's try this. But I think they're pretty good, and in a little vignette I think they'll do just fine. So what I would like to do now is finish up this video. First of all, to say thanks to Secondhand Tracey Ann for hosting this Merry Thriftmas challenge. It was a lot of fun. And I also am going to show you a little vignette that I'm doing just to give you an idea of what can be done with these thrift finds. So take a look at this. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you again very soon.